Visit our website top10antivirussoftware.com. Click on Visit Site for the Kaspersky Anti-Virus. Once the Kaspersky site loads up, click Free Trials in the top right-hand corner of the page. Now choose the product you would like to try out. We will go for Kaspersky Anti-Virus 2015 edition. Fill in your first name, last name and email and click on Download. On the next page, click on Download again. A pop-up will appear. Click Save File and choose the location of where to save the file. Wait for your download to complete and click Install. Installation should take about 2 minutes in total using the Kaspersky wizard. Once the installation process has ended, click Finish to run the program. You have successfully installed Kaspersky Anti-Virus, and your computer is now fully protected.